This is why motorists feel bullied instead of protected. The law must be enforced lawfully, or it becomes abuse of power. A mother on her way to drop her young daughter at school before attending her graduation was stopped at a roadblock. Metro Police told her she had outstanding fines on their system. She insisted those fines had already been paid. Instead of following proper procedure, she was told to pay 1,500 rand immediately. When she said she didn't have the money, officers drove her traumatized child to school and on the way back told her that if she could at least pay 1,000 rand, she would be released. That is not how the law works. South Africa does not have a spot fine system. Fines are not negotiable, roadblocks are not cash points, and payment may not be demanded under pressure. If a warrant exists, it must be shown. If fines were already paid, an arrest is illegal. Instead, she was arrested, fingerprinted, and placed in a holding cell. This is exactly what we protect motorists from. This is why we educate. This is why knowing your rights matters, because when procedure is ignored, the system does not protect you. Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.